Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNN Live. We're at the 2011 Silver Summit Conference in the Davenport Hotel in lovely, spacious Spokane, Washington. I have Gary Cope of the Orex Minerals Inc. company, symbol REX on the TSX-V. Let's get the Orex story from Gary. Welcome to SNN Live.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, let's get right into that Orex story.
Well, the Orex story is a good one. It's, and I'll say it, but we have two very, very significant projects. The first one, it's our flagship project, is in northern Sweden. We just released the 43101 with just over 1 million ounces, and we're about to embark on a very aggressive drilling campaign to expand those ounces. One of the nice things about the existing ounces and the area we're drilling in is that it's absolutely fully permitted for mining. And that's huge. That's one of the first questions we get asked in Sweden is, yeah, it's nice to have the ounces, but will you ever be able to mine them? And the answer is definitely yes. Our second project is in Durango, Mexico, and it is a joint venture with Fresnillo, the world's largest silver miner, and they're about to embark on also a very aggressive drilling campaign.
You know what? You got gold in Sweden. You have silver in Mexico. How did you get to Sweden?
Well, we didn't have any indication that we were ever going to go to Sweden, but one of our significant investors in Europe brought this project to our attention, that it was available, and we sent a geologist over who did the due diligence. We got real interested, and we're able to cut a really good deal for the company.
Well, Sweden's a rich country, but a country, but I bet you can find a lot of offtake for the gold in Sweden, no?
Yeah, we do. It's a lot of interest in Sweden, a lot of interest from mining companies who are watching us, and hope that we can get the mineral threshold up to 2 or 3 million ounces.
Nice. Now, what's your background?
My background came from the brokerage side. I was a broker for a number of years and started raising money privately for companies like Orex, and eventually ended up taking over one, and I've been doing that ever 15, 20 years since.
So you're like Omar, the razor company, you know, the guy liked it so much he bought the
company. Yeah.
So now, when do you start the drilling programs so I can tell the audience about when they could start to see some news coming out of the company?
Well, in Sweden, we'll be starting in 2 or 3 weeks, and that'll be our initial drilling, and we will drill right through a year, and hopefully for the next 2 or 3 years adding drills and expanding the program. In Mexico, Fresnillo's the operator, and they will probably be drilling within a month or two.
So the other question is, are there any direct flights from Sweden to Mexico and back?
No.
I kind of knew that. What's the website?
www.orexminerals.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Gary Cope, Orex Minerals, thank you for coming on to SNN Live.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.